Hi, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. And today is the last video for the AI to real life dog Caddy that we've been making for the last month or so. And it's all done. And so today I'm going to show you and give you the last information, which is the material sheet, and also tell you what I did with all the green bits of dog that we've been making in the meantime, showing you samples. So first up, let's show you the finished object. The dog Caddy, please. Thank you. And here he is, all done. And I'm quite happy with the way he looks. I'll put up on the screen at the moment a video we did of him on the turntable so you can have a better look. A few things that I did change on him, you might notice, is I moved the fourth pocket around to the back. On the picture it's at the front, but you get that. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Other thing I did was to make him a little bow tie, and that was a suggestion from a subscriber, so thank you very much for that. We will also put the pattern for that right at the end along with the materials list, so look out for that. It's just put on with a press stud, so that's all good. So that's him done. I'll just put him down here. And the next up, I will show you what I did with the green dog parts. Could you pass me that, please? Thank you. And here it is. This is my doggy bag. We were going to call him Muttley. I don't know that he's a Muttley, but I got all the bits that were left over and made a little handbag out of him. I think he looks rather cute. So I'll put up a picture of him on the turntable too so you can have a look. So the only things I added to this is the body of the bag, and I did that in a self-repeating pattern, and I made 2 discs to put the pieces on at the ends. So that's what I did with him. And the only other thing I need to tell you is in the materials list, can you just pass me that yarn, please? Thank you. The yarn I used is this yarn, which is available where I am. It is equivalent to about a 10 ply, I don't know what weight that is. We don't work in weights here, I'd have to look it up, but equivalent to a 10 ply. And from the majority of the projects, we used a 4mm hook. The ears were in 5mm because we wanted them a bit more floppy, but mostly a 4mm. So on the screen now should be the materials list, and that's all the stuff we used, every last little bit. Feel free to freeze it and take a screenshot, not a problem. And then also, like I said, you have the pattern for the collar, so you can make your own little dog collar. I really hoped you enjoyed making this pattern, and I think we did rather well recreating the AI picture. And please let me know if you have a go at this. I'd love to know. We have a Discord, which will be in the description box. We also have links to my other socials if you want to share it on there, or you can just put a comment, not a problem. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.